I already ordered some brand new batteries for this unit. They come in a pair. Well, you could buy one. I think they're like $85 each. Replacement batteries for the Amigo. They're all the same size. So anyways, yeah, this charger, it's good. I tested it. It's charging the batteries, but batteries ain't holding any charge. Okay. These things are pretty simple, guys. There's one battery down low. There's another one up here. Okay. Okay. Whoa.
Attention, Lowe's shoppers. If you drive blue Mercedes, please come to customer service. If you drive a blue Mercedes, please come to customer service. Thank you.
You get to your second battery there. See how I said left to service batteries? Well, you can't service it. I mean, replacing it, that's what they mean by servicing it. Because these batteries are, they're not like the Tomcats. You can't put distilled water and fill them up. They're closed batteries. They're not deep cell like the Tomcat. Anyway, so check it out, guys. Of course, switches to wheels, right? Baskets, batteries.
Nicole,
Okay.
6100, Nicole,
And then what else we got here is, you know, you got the charger, of course. We all know that. This is the seat switch. Basically a sensor. It senses that somebody's sitting on there, and then that's how it'll engage. Without that weight, it won't move. Even if you turn it on, it won't move. It's a good safety feature. Amigos have. I think most of them do that too, even the internationals. So if you guys have a work order and your Amigo is like making noise, like a tick, 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 tick. I had already been through that. But it's gonna be your basically when that happens, it's gonna be your controller, okay guys? Your controller. That's gonna be the issue on that. And it's this little guy here. Okay, it's a 24 volt DC motor controller. Okay. So if it makes a noise, it's going to be a controller. Okay. Charging system. I want to say 90% of the time it's going to be your batteries are shot before your charger goes out. Okay. Alright guys, this is your Amigo value chopper.
Mail order 6100, mail order 6100.
When you guys buy your batteries, just buy the battery. You don't need the quick connects. You know, they just charge more money. Another thing, you might get work orders on seat covers. You could purchase seat covers from them also. Tags. Power cords. From time to time, those go bad, and that's another thing. If those are bad, they won't charge your batteries. Okay. I'm learning as I'm going, guys. I wish somebody did this for me when I just started. Inside of there, you got your switches. Here's your off and on right here. Forward, reverse. And you got your horn. Batteries. Okay, you got your 24 volt controller. You got your battery charger and your seat sensor. Alright guys.
Attention, Lowe's shoppers.